Yo, what is going on, everyone in the crypto space? Today has honestly been a fantastic day for all the XRP holders out there, and it almost seems like XRP is leading the market, which is kind of odd because Bitcoin, it's up 5%, but if you look at these other coins like Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Cardano, it kind of seems like the rest of the coins are following the footsteps of XRP. Don't know if that's coincidence or not, but it's something I did want to know. So, I want to make this video today because I kind of want to talk about where I think the XRP price is going in the next couple of days. Usually, I don't like to talk price in short term because that's what it is, just a short term price. But still, it is very exciting to see your asset pretty much go up 200% in the span of a couple of days, and the volume go 20x from the past couple of days, and is nearly at $4.4 billion in 24-hour volume. So, kind of my thoughts on where I think we're headed from here. We topped out at 80 cents this morning. Unfortunately, I was not awake to see that. But we ended up running about from 58 cents to almost 80 cents in under an hour. And the problem is, guys, the reason why we're seeing this huge wick right here, it's that when it goes up too fast, it's just not sustainable. In any market, in any given market, if the price goes up too much, it'll end up just kind of crashing down back to where it started from almost, because it's just not sustainable and it doesn't give people confidence when it's going up. Because usually for a healthy market or a healthy bull run, what usually happens is it's going up, a little correction, goes up, a little correction, finds support, and then just continue the process over and over. So that's kind of what happened this morning. I honestly believe XRP did go up a little bit too quick and created some instability there. And also, I was hearing that when XRP was at 80 cents, both Poloniex and Binance actually went down. So I don't know if that's any sort of manipulation or just pure coincidence, but I do remember that last time XRP topped Ethereum CoinMarketCap, they all of a sudden removed the Korean won from the cryptocurrency pairs, causing the whole market to crash and XRP going back below Ethereum. So it doesn't surprise me that when XRP took the number 2 spot over Ethereum, that all of a sudden Binance and Poloniex both crash when XRP is hitting upwards of 80 cents. But either way, it's just not sustainable when it kind of happens like this. So again, you just gotta look out for that. Especially if markets go down too quick or up too quick, they can have the complete opposite effect. So that's kind of what I think went wrong here, is that if we didn't go straight up, if we had a little bit more of a correction, but what am I trying to say? Where it goes up, correction goes up again, correction goes up, it kind of repeats the process. But it just, I think the FOMO kicked in too hard, and you can see on the volume chart here, the volume kicked up so much, and there's some serious buyers here, so it just went up too much to where it created instability. And now we're at a phase where we are retracing, and we're sitting right at the kind of short-term support level. So I kind of want to give you my thoughts as to what's going to happen over the next couple of days. I absolutely could be wrong, but I'm just going to give you my honest opinion. And my honest opinion is that I think what's going to happen is we're going to have a sideways consolidation throughout the weekend, because typically through weekend, price always goes down. And also trading bots, they will typically continue to sell currency over the weekend. And it's just kind of a cycle. Like weekdays, it's kind of whatever, but weekends are always, in my experience, bearish for the most part. But like occasionally we will have a bull weekend, which is something kind of odd to happen. But guys, I definitely think this run has more time to grow. I do think it can definitely go higher. I think we can see upwards of $1 pretty soon in the next couple of weeks here. But honestly, I think we're going to have to take a little breather. I think I think XRP is going to need to have at least a day or two of consolidation and establishing new ground. So because you can see the overall trend here over the past couple of days with the XRP bull market. So what we have is we have a bull run, and then we go through a consolidation. And then the process repeats again of bull run, and then little consolidation, and then again bull run right here again, and then we got the consolidation. And then now we're kind of at the same part. We've ran up, and then now we're just starting to drop down. It looks pretty similar to what happened right here. It drops down, goes up a bit, and then consolidates and continues to rise higher. So for this to continue to be a healthy bull run, I honestly think, guys, we're going to need at least like at least a day or two of some consolidation to establish some more ground, because what that does is when we have a bull run and then it starts to consolidate, it is typically a very good sign because there's actually strong support not too far from where it just peaked at. So if we can consolidate throughout the weekend and kind of keep kind of a consolidation like this and stay in like the low 60s, high 50s range, that'll give investors and traders confidence that there's a lot of support at the 60 cents level, kind of signaling to them that it'll go up. And plus, consolidation, like if it's so when there's a bull run and it retraces and then consolidates, it's usually typically a good sign. This market just needs a breather. I mean, ask anybody who's been in the cryptocurrency market like longer than a year. Everyone really knows for a bull run to really be healthy and continue, we do need retracements. Retracements are kind of a blessing in disguise, even though, yeah, the price is going down, but at the same time, it allows the market to establish a new ground and then repeat the process again of going up and retracing or consolidating. So that's kind of my outlook. Next couple of days, I do expect some consolidation. And if we can stay above this support level, if we can consolidate at the low 60s range, I honestly think it's going to be heads up. And XRP will continue to grow. So although I do think it's going to consolidate over the next day or two, which is healthy and is needed because it is overly exhausted. I mean, went up to 80 cents and from 60 to 80 cents in like under an hour. So it's over exhausted right now. So we need to kind of let XRP take a step back, get a little breather, establish some new ground, and I definitely think we can keep going from here. So that's my opinion, guys. If your opinion differs, no hard feelings. We're all in the same game. So make sure, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, check links in the description. Support the channel, get yourself Legend Nano S, keep that cryptocurrency safe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video or a stream. So again, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Me personally, I do think we need a little breather, and for bull markets, that's completely normal to have a retracement, some sort of consolidation, and then continue higher. So guys, we're only 10 days away from swell. I think we could get a pretty good announcement there. And XRapid is coming live in the next month or so, and XRP will be used in banking and financial institutions, and we are only probably a matter of a couple of weeks away from that, which is pretty exciting. So right now, guys, I think we're just getting some pre-XRapid FOMO, maybe some institutional investors, maybe the trading algorithms are kind of freaking out, not knowing what to do. So, guys, that's just kind of my opinion. I'm expecting, just a sideways consolidation for like another day or two, and then we can probably pick up the pace Monday and continue to go up. So, again, not a financial advisor. That's just kind of my opinion from my experience. So definitely when we do have big runs like this, we're going to need a little time to actually consolidate and retrace and kind of regroup and get a solid ground again. If you look back at the December bull run and that 24-day span when it went from 20 cents to $3, there were plenty of retracements and consolidations I went on, and XRP just continued to go up. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one.